Are you bored? Well, then you've come to the right place. Press this button. If I press this button, I will hear my boredom. But I'm not bored. So I'm going to show you this cool website called boredbutton.com. So let's see. Bored? Go ahead, press the bored button. Trademark. I'm bored. I'm so bored. I'm bored at school. I'm bored at work. I'm bored to tears. I'm bored to death. Do you find yourself saying any of the above? If so, you've reached the right website. By clicking the red button, you will instantly take you to one of hundreds of interactive websites specially selected to alleviate boredom. So go ahead, give it a try. Press the bored button and be bored no more. Alright, so let's take a look. Also, I'm going to put a link in the description if you want to play this game. So let's go ahead. Play two favorites. Flappy 2048. Now, I won't be playing all of these today, so I might skip some to get to the ones I want to play, so let's get started. So, okay, you have to click. Spacebar. Spacebar is way better. One time I got like 30 on this. 7, 8, 10. Almost died there. This is two favorites. Especially 2048. Well, I mean, especially Flappy Bird 2. If I get to 100, you have to subscribe. Nah, I'm just kidding. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to subscribe. You can unsubscribe. No, you can't unsubscribe. Anyway. Forget anything I just said. 24, not bad. Time for the next one. Discover what others achieved at your exact age. No, I'm not giving my age. Play the world's dumbest game. Too bad I don't have another mouse. I'm not playing on... If I had a desktop mouse, I could... I'm playing on a laptop right now. Desktop mouse? I've played this on a desktop mouse before, and it was way better. I'm just gonna hold it for a minute. World's dumbest game. How long can you hold the button? It seems like some of these games were actually made for this website, for the bored button website. Because some of them say at the bottom, if you look at the bottom, it says 2013 to 2025 bored button LLC. So this isn't the only game that says that. There's other ones. So but not all of them say it. So I think some of these were actually made for the bored button. They weren't. 59.9. Recent high scores 20 minutes. Today's high scores almost an hour. They almost got an hour. They just did another. Was that 59 hours? Oh wait, no, that's 59 minutes. Never mind. Okay. Next. Guess the pin. Okay. Wait. In the last 13 minutes, it's been guessed 308 times incorrectly. 0002. This thing knows because I've played this before. Okay. 0004. 0000. Oh, that's not. 0005. Okay, now random one. 9026. Come on, stats. How do you guess this correctly? Every hour? Updated a minute ago. There's no stats. This is an even dumber game. Then the world's dumbest game. 0, 0, 1, 2. 1. Okay. 1, 1, 2. No. 2, 3. Now I could be here all day. Why don't just say it in emoji? What does it want? What? Don't question this. Animals. Axolotl. Oh wait, there's MX. What's that supposed to mean? Person, fish. This is the only one that makes sense, because it's a lizard fish, right? Be a big fish and a small. Hey, this is like what's it called? You eat smaller dots, but it's just like that one online game that's really popular. I think Agar.io. This is like that, but not online. And it's easier because you use just your mouse. You must think that it gets harder once you get really big. That's not true. You must think it gets easier once you get really big. That's not true. Because at that point, there's no little one. All the normal sized ones are like way bigger. Oh wow. I ate one on that I thought would be. Yeah, actually, this gets harder if you get bigger, not easier. You would expect it to get easier, though. I don't. Oh, I could eat that. I can eat so many of these. Oh, I died. I ate one that 50. Mr. Triple A got, or Mrs. Triple A got. Triple A got 992. I don't get to put anything in. Okay. And that's your next failure. Another sadtrombone.com. That's what it says. Next. No. I'm not giving my information away. Believe in magic. There's crazy cards. Seriously, this will trick you. This trick will blow your mind. Start by selecting a suit. That one. Don't think of club. What are clubs? I don't play cards, so I have no idea what that means. Clubs, interesting. Oh, that's a shape. Don't think of clubs and randomly pick it. That one. Wait. Okay, I have a card in mind. I'm not saying. It's this. Well, actually, it's this one. Wait, I think wasn't it 5 of diamonds? I think. Yeah, it's 5 of diamonds. I've seen a video where someone explains this, but I know it's not actually magic. It's just a trick. Oh, I almost clicked stop recording instead of the button. Read lots of funny stuff. Funny clothes. Reverse fingerless gloves. Like little hats for your fingertips. I don't get it. Let's see. I'm just going to go with a random one. You look like you call a coffee a cup of joe. You look like you call coffee a cup of joe. I'm so confused. I don't get any of these. Don't buy anything Velcro. It's a total ripoff. That's a real knee slapper. Alright. Of course, dad jokes. I want to see more dad jokes. Cargo space. Cargo space. Car no go space. Cargo road. Oh, so I don't get it. Are you alright? No, I'm half left. Oi. I've seen that. If your nose runs and your feet smell, your belt upside. Oh wait, nah. I've never heard that. If your nose runs and your feet smell, your belt's upside down. And that's not a dad joke. That's, I don't know. It's just Rusty Mew. Don't open the fridge. The salad's dressing. That's so funny. I like to tell dad jokes. Sometimes he laughs. Okay, I'm done. Learn what choice your kitten reveals. Kitty! Geokitten can your choice reveal and kittens reveal where you live. Hard to say for this. This guy's cuter. What was that? North America. Is that correct? I live in North America, yes. Select these cuties. Oh, this is a hard one. That one. United States. That is right. Between these two. This guy's cutie. Oh my god. It said my state. Said my state. So this one looks funny. This one looks like it's AI generated. I like this one. Oh, come on. That's my town. I'm gonna blur these. So, haha, you don't get to know where I live and then start coming to my house and bugging me. Rock, paper, scissors. Wait, okay. Paper, scissors, rock, shoot. Nah, you win. What's that mean, Nan? Oh, this was another one made for board button. Paper, scissors, rock, shoot. Come on. Find out when you turn. Nope, I'm not giving you my birthday. Guess the famous face. Who is that? John Hannity. Okay. Tom Holland. Not Tom Holland. Okay, I can't tell who that is. Oh, I forgot his name. Two guys missing me. Stanley. Not Stanley. Okay, I have no idea who that is. Nope. I've seen his face before, but I don't know his name. I have no idea who that is. I've seen his face. Kevin Spacey. Yep, I've seen his face. I have no idea who that is, though. Kevin Spacey. Alright, next. I'm so confused. What is this? No, fortune telling. I'm out of here. Laugh at poop jokes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? I'm not 5. Oh my god. No. Wait, do I have to? I think I am not 5. Oh my god. Solve emoji quizzes. K-pop boy bands. K-pop girl groups. Fast food chains. Pizza chains. What? What is this? It's like love it. Is that like a phrase for it? Dry. Little Caesars? This one's Little Caesars. Hooray! Chuck E. Cheese. Never been there, but Chuck E. Cheese. What? Is this shift button not working? Where's that? Chuck E. Cheese. No, that's not how you spell cheese. Do you have to capitalize it? C. How's that not correct? It's Chuck E. Cheese. Pizza Hut. Never been there either. I gotta eat more food. More places. Pizza Hut. These are just square, circle, square, circle, circle. Liberty, Statue of Liberty, taxi. Is this supposed to be New York? Because it's an and then it. I have no. Why is there it and then IE and then it? I have no idea. This is supposed to be Chuck E. Cheese. Wait, Chuck E. Cheese's? There's no way it's Chuck E. Cheese's. Oh my, no way. I answer my H. Domino's? Huh? What? H. Never heard of that. There's no way this represents Domino's. H. I've never heard of that either. C. I've never heard of that. Papa John. What's the IT supposed to be? Wow, I've only heard of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. I've only been to 1, 2. I've only been to 3 of those. Wow. Hey, I got 2 right or 3 right. No, I won't want gag gifts. Grow a dot without getting popped. Yay! Oh my god. This game's hard. Oh wow, I did it. That's slow motion replays. Go, 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 go! I did it! That was easy. Yo! That was luck. That was luck. So if you just keep doing this. Yes! Come on. That one was easy. Almost got that. Hooray! I almost got that. Hooray! Okay. Goodbye. Color synesthesia. Color distraction. Oh, I'm just gonna pick a random one. Purple. 14% is purple. I don't even have color synesthesia or whatever. Oh, I've seen these. Man in the Dark. It's just the guy, but top view of him. With why is he? I'm so confused. What's going on here? DVD logo. Oh yeah, let's go. There's a party in here. It's changing color. When I was little, I used to watch this for like hours and hours, and then just waiting for it to hit the corner. It can only possibly hit one of the corners, so except you have to wait forever. It almost hit the corner. Okay, I'm just gonna. It almost hit the corner twice. Chihuahua spin. Set through. One spin. 2 spins. 3 spins. These are very useless websites. 4 spins. 5 spins. This makes me bored. This isn't cheering my boredom. 6 spins. 7 spins. 8 spins. I know something happens at 10. 10 spins. Or 9 spins. 10 spins. You're officially Ethan. Who's Ethan? I am not Ethan. I am not Ethan. I'm Lego Gamer. 11 spins. No, get this Ethan out of here. And his stupid chihuahua. Hot dog. No, I don't. Drama button. Oh my god. That was so loud. I don't know if that was loud for you, that was loud. Long Doge Challenge. Nope, I'm not watching that. God hates shrimp. What? What is... Oh my... God doesn't hate anything. Not saying right. Wow. Wait, is that a cow? Oh, what is going on? I don't like that. Goat. Please share. Why is there Star Wars? Why is there Phantom Menace? Oh, he's using his Jedi tricks and pushing him down. What is this? Are they beating up the goat? He's pushing the goat. He's not being nice. What is going on here? I was about to close the tab. He's on a turtle. Jurassic Systems. Starting up the system. Oh my god.
Access main program. Access main security. Access main program.
You didn't say the magic word.
You didn't say the magic word.
Please! God damn it! I hate this hacker crap.
Oh man. Okay. That's the best one. You didn't say the magic word. Wake up the... I was hoping I would get this one. Wake it up. I can't wake up this website. Alright, let's fling things at him. Wake up. Wake up. Wait, I got an idea. Yeah, take that. Oh. Okay. Sounds. Wait, I'm gonna turn the sound back on. Try again. I think it has to do with the. It has to do with the sounds. Turn that off, and if I turn on. Okay, I have sound off. Okay. If you just keep... No. Okay. Wake up. No. Play bongos with the cat. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, that's so annoying. I could stay on this for hours. Okay, that was so annoying. What is this? I don't want to go there. Find the invisible cow.
Cow, 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 cow. Moo.
Wow, find it. Expert mode. I bet that was so annoying. Sorry if it was.
Cow, 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 cow. Moo.
Okay. Next one. Spin a cucumber. Wow. Faster, faster. Alright, ended it there. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.